name is Christy Graves. I'm the Director of Operations for Harris County ESD number 5 in Crosby, Texas. This unit is one of two twins. We name all of our units. This unit's name is Hector. Hector will be added to us at a time where we are excited to grow. The district is growing in a way that this is our 6th ambulance, and we will now be putting up 3 ambulances full-time. So this truck is very much needed. We chose Hector based on its space. Frazer was able to offer us more space in order to accommodate multi-medic responses. In the district, oftentimes we have long transport times, and we are able to put supervisors in as well as other staff members to accommodate patients that are high acuity. This time we've selected Ford based on the payload. We felt like the size of this unit, Ford F450, would accommodate us better in our ambulance district. This is a very new thing with a door forward layout unit. To have 2 of them is going to be helpful because paramedics do oftentimes work on muscle memory. We were happy with the system because of this stair and configuration. Our prior units of this size had stairs that would go in and come out, often entrapping dirt and debris in those stair systems. This stair system has a 3-step system that allows for the paramedic to come in safely, as well as not having to worry about the debris and dust from the roadways. The roads are oftentimes different, from pavement to dirt roads to unimproved asphalts. We felt that it was best to look into the suspension system. Frazer allowed us to get a liquid spring system. We not only have 2 in the rear, but now 2 in the back. This has offered us a comfort ride all the way around. Therefore, any of the bumps that are hit in the front are no longer reciprocated to the rear of the ambulance during the transportation. For those who haven't heard of Frazer, I'd say you're missing out. Frazer is a company like no other. Frazer are not only a business, but they are like family. And once you become a part of the Frazer family, you become a priority to them, just like any sibling or parent or cousin would be in your family. I have never once felt like a number to them. I may not buy 12 or 20 ambulances because I have a small system. I may buy 1 this year, it may be 3. I may buy 2 next year because my system grew. But either way, they never made me feel small or a smaller part of the family because I didn't buy more or more often. And that really says a lot about a company that says, are you good over there? We're just checking in. If not, let us know when you're ready because we'll be here for you when you are. And that is worth its weight in gold as far as I'm concerned.